Here's how to enjoy the optional highway and city assistant in BMW models with BMW Operating System X. The optional highway and city assistant assists you with the BMW Symbiotic Drive in accelerating, braking, and steering. The traffic light assistant in the optional highway and city assistant can support you in city traffic, with decelerating for red lights detected well in advance, and it can drive off again automatically. For a general setup of assisted driving, go to the My Vehicle menu and select Assistance, Assisted Driving. Under Route and Junction Assistant, you can activate automatic stopping at traffic lights. Please make sure Assisted Driving Pro within the Steering Assistant setting is activated. Here's how to interact with the system while driving. When you are driving in urban surroundings with activated assisted driving and a traffic light relevant to your driving situation is detected, it is displayed in the driver display. If Automatic Traffic Light Assistant is activated, the vehicle can decelerate and stop without your input. In case an automatic adoption is not possible, the traffic light icon will be grayed out. In the Route and Junction Assistant menu, you can also select Automated Drive-Off or a drive-off reminder for the traffic light assistant. When the traffic light turns green for you, the driver display indicates it. In the automatic drive-off setting, the vehicle drives off automatically as soon as it is possible at a green traffic light, and if your BMW detects you as attentive to double-check the traffic light. To confirm the green traffic light manually, press the accelerator, the OK, plus or minus steering wheel button to drive off continuing with your set speed. To drive manually again, just press the assisted driving button on the steering wheel to deactivate it. Enjoy easy driving and continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.
That feature blew your mind, huh? But wait till you see what else your BMW can do. Choose one of these videos and I'll show you more. But they're still choosing the next video.